It is so breezy outside. Wind speeds at above 20 miles per hour, so cold air is pushing on in here. So while we will be in the 30s for most tomorrow morning, it is going to feel more like the teens. Here's a live look in Hamilton, where we have seen a few reports of some flurries in Marion County. Hard to see that from our camera right now, but if you squint, you may see a flurry or two. We have a little bit leftover moisture in our atmosphere, which could change over to a brief flurry, especially in northwest Alabama right now and points to our north. You'll notice you don't see much on radar except a few spots of light drizzle here and there, and as this cold air starts to move on in, could see a brief change over to some flurries overnight, but not expecting any issues with that morning commute tomorrow. If you have any church plans or need to get out early, you should be fine. This area of low pressure is lifting off to our east, bringing heavy snow up to the northeast and strong thunderstorms that track through Georgia and also brought up that tornado in Wetumpka that has now all tracked off into Georgia. So we're starting to clear out, dry out, and cool down. Some snow showers back through the Memphis area and northern parts of Mississippi and even North Alabama this evening. Very cold, and even though it's 40 degrees right now in Birmingham, it's feeling more like sub-freezing because of very brisk winds out there. Wind speeds sustained right around 20 miles per hour. So we have a wind advisory in effect through noon tomorrow because these winds are just not going to let up. The winds are going to help to pull in dry air, also helping to dry off the roadways. That's why we're not concerned about any spots of a freeze over, just because our winds are so brisk and really dry air is moving in here. So we're not going to have any of that freezing fog tomorrow. So anything that does fall from the sky overnight tonight as frozen precipitation, some flurries possible, not likely going to stick. Tomorrow morning we are going to be in the low 30s, but it's going to feel more like the teens. So when you wake up, it is going to be frigid, very breezy. The sky will be clear throughout the day, so it's going to be quite a difference from today. We hit 65 in Birmingham today. Tomorrow, we are going to barely get out of the 30s, and in the afternoon, it is only going to feel like the 20s. Another cold one to start off the work week. Monday morning, also feeling like the teens, low 20s, and then starting to get a little bit warmer by midweek. So tomorrow, we will be in the upper 30s, but feeling more like the 20s. Very breezy, very frigid. Stay weather aware because this is going to be some dangerous cold out there tomorrow. Then finally starting to warm up just a bit by midweek, but that's also when we'll see the return of some rain showers, Michael.